got done installing an MFactory single mass flywheel on my N55 F10. And one of the issues that people complain about is the noise that the single mass makes. I've got it installed with a 550 clutch. It's a direct replacement and is a little bit stiffer of a pressure plate and will handle the extra power. So I just wanted to bring you actually under the car right next to the tranny so you could hear the rattle. And to be honest, it's rather intermittent. And from what I understand, it's only when it's in neutral and around 700 RPMs or so. Maybe, I mean, I'm not completely up to temp. It's hot down here, but it's only been running for a few minutes as I just got the job done. Maybe it'll get louder, but that little bit of rattling is what everybody's complaining about. And to be honest, I think the injector tick from the N55 is louder than that. So here we are, fully up to temp, and I have my hood open so you can hear the injector tick. Obviously I don't have any sound deadening or the engine cover on at all, so you can really hear that injector tick. But down here, you can hear just a little bit of rattling. Almost like there's a loose bolt on the bell housing or something. But let me just open my exhaust. Between everything else I've got going on, there's no way anybody's going to notice that, or myself. So I'm perfectly happy. Again, that's the M-Tech single mass lightweight flywheel. All right, so you might not be able to tell very well. It's kind of one of those things you have to probably feel for yourself, but with the lightweight flywheel, I'm just going to hit the gas. I mean, that's just, I've got the sprint booster and I'm in race mode at level 9, so I've got a pretty sensitive gas pedal, but you can see how those RPMs are just pulling no problem. Probably shouldn't do that on a brand new clutch, but it holds. All right, here it is at idle. Barely hear it, and then you turn on the air conditioning. It's definitely noticeable, but not that bad.